How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your WordPress blog or your WordPress site to Mailchimp. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and we need to get two things out of the way first, and that's being make sure that we're logged into our WordPress account as an administrator as well as our Mailchimp account. So this ensures that we can make the integration seamless and connect the two platforms. So once you have that going for you, you guys want to log into your WordPress, like I said, and you want to navigate to the left-hand side of your screen until you find the dashboard. So here it is. You're met with a bunch of different options to choose from, being comments, feedback, pages, upgrade, and so on, and whatever. So from here, you want to look for the plugins tab. So it's this one right here. So when you guys go to hover over the plugins tab, you'll see that there are two options, being add a new plugin and installed plugins. So installed plugins will obviously redirect you to the page where you get to configure your settings and your installed plugins for WordPress. So from here, you want to select add a new plugin. So this is going to effectively take you to WordPress store, and it will show you all of the compatible plugins and tools that you can integrate into WordPress. So from here, the easiest way is to just click on the search bar and type Mailchimp. I misspelled that, Mailchimp. So there are a couple of Mailchimp applications here. And the one that you guys want to opt for here is the one by Mailmunch, because this is actually the official Mailchimp plugin instead of this one, because MC for WordPress or Mailchimp for WordPress is simply a sign up plugin for both platforms. So this is the one that you want to get, Mailchimp for Mailmunch, or Mailchimp Forms by Mailmunch. As if you read it, it'll say Mailchimp Forms to get more email subscribers. Subscribe to your WordPress visitors to your Mailchimp list easily. So this is perfect for a blog post form factor for our site. So you want to click on it, simply hit install and activate as normal, and basically authenticate the Mailchimp plugin to integrate with our WordPress site. So as you can see here, it's successfully installed. So you guys want to click on manage plugins, so you'll be redirected back to WordPress and actually make the connection between your Mailchimp account and WordPress. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.